In the vast expanse of our technological cosmos, 2012 marked the birth of a novel force in the financial universe, Ripple. This was not just another startup. It was a harbinger of change, a beacon of innovation in a world that was desperately in need of a financial revolution. Founded by Chris Larsen and Jed McCaleb, Ripple emerged with a bold vision to revolutionize the antiquated world of cross-border payments. These two visionaries saw the inefficiencies and the high costs associated with traditional banking systems and decided it was time for a change. They envisioned a world where money could move as quickly and as seamlessly as information does today. This ambition was fueled by a powerful tool, the digital asset known as XRP. Unlike traditional currencies, XRP was designed to facilitate instant and low-cost international payments. It was a digital asset that could bridge different currencies, making it easier for financial institutions to transfer money across borders without the need for multiple intermediaries. This new player on the financial stage promised to streamline transactions, cut costs, and connect the world like never before. Imagine a world where sending money to a friend in another country is as easy as sending a text message. Ripple aimed to make this a reality, breaking down the barriers that had long hindered global financial transactions. Ripple's entrance was not merely a ripple in the pond, it was a wave that threatened to reshape the very shores of global finance. The traditional financial institutions, which had long enjoyed a monopoly over international payments, suddenly found themselves facing a formidable challenger. Ripple's technology promised to make their services faster, cheaper, and more transparent. Traditional institutions, accustomed to the slow currents of legacy systems, took notice. They realized that in order to stay relevant, they would need to adapt to this new technology. Some were skeptical, while others saw the potential and began to explore how they could integrate Ripple's technology into their own systems. Here was a technology that dared to challenge the status quo, a digital disruptor with the potential to democratize access to financial services. No longer would people have to rely on slow and expensive traditional banking systems. With Ripple, financial services could become more accessible to people around the world, including those in developing countries who had previously been excluded from the global financial system. At the heart of Ripple's innovation lay a fundamental question. Could the transfer of value across borders be made as seamless as sending an email? This question was not just theoretical, it was a challenge to the very foundations of the financial industry. Ripple's technology aimed to prove that it was possible, and in doing so, it could transform the way we think about money and payments. This question resonated with individuals and businesses alike. All too familiar with the frustrations of slow, expensive, and opaque international payments. For too long, people have been forced to endure lengthy delays and high fees when sending money across borders. Businesses, especially small and medium-sized enterprises, often struggled with the costs and complexities of international trade. Ripple's answer was a resounding yes, and its journey had only just begun. The company continued to innovate, developing new solutions and forging partnerships with financial institutions around the world. As Ripple's technology gained traction, it became clear that the future of finance was being rewritten, and Ripple was at the forefront of this transformation. The journey was far from over, but the impact of Ripple's vision was already being felt across the globe. Unlike many of its cryptocurrency counterparts, XRP stands out due to its distinctive operational framework. XRP operates on a unique consensus mechanism known as the XRP Ledger Consensus Protocol, which is fundamentally different from the traditional methods used by other cryptocurrencies. This system sets it apart from the energy-intensive, proof-of-work models employed by blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Proof-of-work requires vast amounts of computational power and energy to solve complex mathematical problems, which is not the case with XRP. Instead of relying on miners to validate transactions, which can be both time-consuming and resource-intensive, XRP leverages a network of trusted validators. These validators are not just random entities. They are carefully selected based on their reputation and reliability within the network. These validators, chosen through a process of reputation and reliability, play a crucial role in maintaining the network's integrity. They work together to confirm transactions and ensure that the ledger remains accurate and secure. By collaborating, these validators can quickly and efficiently validate transactions, making the entire process smoother and more reliable. This approach offers several advantages. One of the most significant benefits is the reduction in energy consumption. First, it eliminates the need for energy-consuming mining operations, making XRP a more environmentally friendly option. In a world increasingly concerned with sustainability, this is a major plus. Second, it enables significantly faster transaction speeds, often settling payments in a matter of seconds. This is a stark contrast to Bitcoin, where transactions can take several minutes or even hours to confirm. Another key distinction of XRP is its pre-mined nature. This means that all the XRP tokens that will ever exist were created at the outset. Unlike Bitcoin, where new coins are gradually introduced through mining, all 100 billion XRP tokens were created at the outset. This has significant implications for the currency's distribution and value. This has drawn both praise and criticism. On one hand, proponents argue that it provides greater price stability and transparency. As the total supply is known and fixed from the beginning. This can help prevent the kind of inflationary pressures that can affect other cryptocurrencies. However, critics express concerns about potential centralization and control. They worry that the pre-mined nature of XRP could lead to a concentration of power among a few entities, which goes against the decentralized ethos of cryptocurrencies. Despite these concerns, XRP continues to be a popular choice for many users and institutions. Its unique consensus mechanism and pre-mined nature offer a different kind of consensus in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies. As more financial institutions and users adopt XRP, its role in the global financial system is likely to grow. Its innovative approach to consensus and transaction validation sets it apart in a crowded field, offering a glimpse into the future of digital currencies. In conclusion, XRP's unique consensus mechanism and pre-mined nature provide a different kind of consensus that challenges traditional cryptocurrency models. As the world of digital currencies continues to evolve, XRP's approach may offer valuable lessons for the future. At its core, Ripple is a technology company focused on one primary goal: to facilitate faster, cheaper, and more efficient cross-border payments. This mission is driven by the need to revolutionize the way money moves around the world, making it as seamless and straightforward as possible. In today's global economy, the ability to transfer funds quickly and affordably is crucial for both businesses and individuals. Ripple achieves this through a suite of products and services designed to bridge the gap between different currencies and financial institutions. These tools are not just about moving money, they are about creating a more connected and efficient financial ecosystem. By leveraging advanced blockchain technology, Ripple ensures that transactions are secure, transparent, and immutable. Imagine a world where sending money across borders is as simple as sending an email or a text message. This is not just a futuristic dream, but a reality that Ripple is actively working to create. The convenience and speed of digital communication are now being applied to financial transactions, breaking down barriers and making the process more user-friendly. This is the vision that drives Ripple. The company is committed to transforming the financial landscape by making cross-border payments more accessible and efficient. This vision is shared by a dedicated team of professionals who are constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of finance. Traditional cross-border payments often involve a complex web of intermediaries, each taking their cut and adding to the overall cost and processing time. This outdated system is not only slow, but also expensive, making it difficult for businesses and individuals to send money internationally without incurring significant fees. Ripple bypasses this cumbersome system by providing a direct bridge between sender and recipient. This direct approach eliminates the need for multiple intermediaries, reducing both the cost and time required for transactions. By streamlining the process, Ripple makes it easier for money to move across borders quickly and efficiently. This streamlined approach reduces friction, lowers costs, and accelerates settlement times. The benefits of this are manifold, including increased liquidity, reduced risk, and improved cash flow for businesses. For individuals, it means faster access to funds and lower transaction fees, making it easier to support family and friends abroad. Ripple's technology is particularly well suited for businesses and financial institutions that regularly conduct international transactions. These entities can greatly benefit from the speed and efficiency that Ripple's solutions offer, allowing them to operate more effectively in the global market. By leveraging the XRP ledger, these entities can optimize their payment flows, reduce costs, and improve their bottom line. The XRP ledger is a decentralized blockchain technology that provides a secure and efficient way to manage and track transactions. This technology is at the heart of Ripple's solutions, enabling real-time settlement and reducing the risk of fraud. Whether it's a multinational corporation sending funds to a subsidiary or a remittance company facilitating payments for migrant workers, Ripple offers a compelling solution. The ability to send money quickly and affordably is essential for maintaining business operations and supporting loved ones. Ripple's technology ensures that these transactions are not only fast and cost-effective, but also secure and reliable, providing peace of mind for all parties involved.